Utah death row inmate Ralph Menzies passes away from natural causes at 67. Ralph Leroy Menzies, a 67-year-old inmate on Utah's death row, died of presumed natural causes on Wednesday, ending a saga that had kept his execution in limbo for months. The Utah Department of Corrections confirmed he passed away at a local hospital at 1:45 p.m. after notifying his family and the relatives of his 1986 victim, Maureen Hunsaker. Hunsaker's loved ones, remembering her as a devoted wife, mother, sister, and friend, expressed sorrow over her brutal murder and thanked state prosecutors for years of relentless pursuit of justice, while asking for privacy during their mourning. Attorney General Derek Brown issued a statement honoring Hunsaker, describing her death as a horrific act of violence and emphasizing the state's long-standing commitment to hold Menzies accountable. He hoped that Menzies' natural death might finally bring a measure of peace to the grieving family. Menzies' own defense team released a tribute, noting that despite his crimes he was deeply cherished by his family, friends, and legal counsel. They highlighted his later life efforts to help others and expressed gratitude that he died with dignity and his characteristic spirit intact. The case dates back to 1986, when Menzies kidnapped, robbed and bound Hunsaker to a tree near Storm Mountain in Big Cottonwood Canyon before slitting her throat. The upcoming February will mark the 40th anniversary of that murder. Although a June 6 competency hearing initially cleared him for execution, his lawyers later argued that severe vascular disease had caused dementia and marked brain atrophy, raising serious doubts about his mental fitness. In August, a two-day commutation hearing before the Utah Board of Pardons and Parole concluded without a sentence reduction, leaving the death penalty in place. The defense appealed to the Utah Supreme Court, which, in a unanimous 5-0 ruling, ordered a fresh competency review, pushing the execution date beyond the originally scheduled September 5. A new competency hearing was set for Dec. 9, and psychologist Dr. Michael P. Brooks submitted a report identifying Menzies with a major neurocognitive disorder likely stemming from vascular disease, along with significant behavioral disturbances, deeming him unfit for execution. However,